So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum Sheikh and welcome back to another video. If you have seen my earlier video, in that video I have mentioned that I am going to change my daily routine because my state PSC is only 6 months away, so I thought it was a really need to change my daily routine. So yes, I have changed my daily routine. I have tried this daily routine for past 1 week and I think this routine is really working for me, so I thought I will share with you my new changed daily routine. So in this video I am going to share with you all my new changed daily routine. So yes guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and also share this video with all your friends, those who are preparing for UPSC, MPSC or any other exam, or if anyone needs study motivation, you can also send this video to them. It will be really helpful for me. So yes guys, without wasting any further time, let's just start with the vlog. So now my day starts at 6 o'clock in the morning. After just snoozing the alarm for around 2 to 3 times, I finally wake up at 6 o'clock. After that, I just get freshen up and at 6:30 I am out for a quick run. So usually while running I listen to podcasts. So this was the podcast that I was listening that morning, and if I am in a different mood I can usually shift between podcast and music because it gives me a motivation for running just few kilometers extra each day. After coming back from the run, I usually go take a shower and after that I just sit down and reply to some of your lovely comments, and yeah, now I'm just doing that. So I usually make the to-do list one night earlier. So this is the to-do list that I have made for today, but I have made that yesterday night. So yes, you can see here today I have targeted 12 hours. Let's see how much we can complete. So the first session of the day starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. But first, let's make some coffee and then sit and start grinding for the day. So now I am all set to start the first session of the day. It is for economics. I have my book Datta Sundaram, I have the PDF of Ramesh Singh, I have my notebook, I have the notes from the class, and yes, I am going to start the first session of the day for economics, that is for 3 hours.
I've never had the best expectations.
Usually while studying for big hours like 3 hours or 4 hours, I usually put a timer for 50 minutes. I study for 50 minutes, take a break for 10 minutes and then again set a timer for 50 minutes, and I'm just doing this for the first 3 hour session of economics.
I never thought you could. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, I like it on this side of love.
So my mom made this breakfast for me. Now I will just eat it, but before that I will just pause the timer, have my breakfast and then again start the timer. So while having my breakfast, I just completed the remaining part of podcast that I was listening in the morning. So now I'm also done with the podcast.
You're a James Dean, Steve McQueen, kinda cool. It could be sunrise or late nights, I'm always laughing with you. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you.
So now I'm done with the first 3 hour session of economics. Now I will just take a break for 10 minutes and then start the reasoning session.
I like it on this side of love. I like it on this side of love. Because it's right, believe me. They say the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence, but I'm good with what's beneath us. Finally it all makes sense why he cheated and the other one walked away. Yeah, I see it. I was always meant to reach this place.
So hey guys, now the time is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. After the reasoning session, I just did 1 hour of passage session. After that, I just had to go in the market. I just went there, came back home, had a shower, and now I'm talking with y'all. So yes guys, so now I'll just take a lunch break and after that get back to studies. So I just want to take a moment and talk to y'all about the Cambly app. This video is very kindly sponsored by Cambly. Cambly is the only app in India that provides one-on-one private English classes by the tutors from USA, UK, Canada and other parts of the world. So this app will be very beneficial for someone that knows basics about English but is really struggling to talk in English with someone. This app will help you to boost your confidence in speaking English. And this app will also be beneficial for someone that is planning to do your further studies in abroad. This app will help you to improve your accent and also your pronunciation about the words. So now I will just show you a demo of me talking to one of the tutors from Cambly.
So my name is Ryan. I come from England originally. My hometown is in Manchester. Do you know Manchester?
Oh, yeah, obviously.
Yeah. But make sure it's the right half of Manchester. Manchester City, not Manchester United. The blue is better. So do you have any questions for me?
No. I just want you to tell my audience how you can help someone that knows basic about English and just want to improve their confidence in talking English. So I just want you to tell them how you can help
I mean,
them.
for me, the biggest thing about English learners is, especially on the lower levels, is a lot of people start off and they're afraid to make mistakes. Okay, a lot of people, that's what slows people's learning down a lot. Is that sometimes rather than make a mistake, they won't speak, or they won't try and make a mistake. Where in fact, making mistakes, I encourage it. This is when the learner can see how they're speaking it wrong and where they can improve their English. So for me, firstly, I encourage my students to make mistakes and then they can learn from mistakes. Try and build their confidence from that. Try and build their confidence from that.
So yes guys, that was me talking to one of the tutors from Cambly. As you have seen, the tutors there are very friendly and they will solve all your doubts without even judging you. So yes guys, you can choose from a huge range of tutors that they have on the app and also a huge range of course that they have on the app. And yes guys, if you are interested in joining the Cambly app, the link of the app will be in the description box below, and you can also get a 25% off in the plan of 3 months by using the referral code exploring25. You can just use this code and you will get a 25% off on the 3 months plan. So yes guys, I will just put the link of the app and also my referral code in the description box below. So yes guys, that was it about Cambly. Now let's move forward with the vlog. Now I will just go have my lunch and then start the next session of the day. And after that I just had my lunch, had a quick nap, and now I'm going to start the second session of the day, that is from 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock, and it includes polity, revision and current affairs.
I've never had the best expectations of any man. Got my own explanations on why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around you broke me down like I never thought you could. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, I like it on this side of love.
So now the time is around 8:30 in the night and I'm going to have my dinner. And yes guys, now it's time for the last session of the day, that is from 10 to 12 o'clock, only 2 hours session, and the topics that I want to cover in this session are paper analysis and revision. Both these topics are very much interesting. That's the reason why I have kept them at the end of the day, because I am pretty exhausted studying for the entire day. So paper analysis basically means that I just classify the questions asked in previous year papers into the different subjects that we have. For example, the questions asked from history will go under history. The question asked from geography will go under geography. So like this, I just classify the questions into the topics and also in subtopics.
You're a James Dean, Steve McQueen, kinda cool. It could be sunrise or late night nights I'm always laughing with you. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, I like it on this side of love. I like it on this side of love, because it's right, believe me. They say the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence, but I'm good with what's beneath us. Finally it all makes sense why he cheated and the other one walked away. Yeah, I see it. I was always meant to reach this place on this side of love, with you on this side of love. I say, it's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough.
So yes guys, now I'm done for the day. Now it's time for the most favorite task in the entire day, just to tick mark in the to-do list. And yes guys, I was not able to complete the 12 hours target, but I was able to complete 11 hours, and I think even that is very much productive in one day. So yes guys, I'm done for today. I will just make a to-do list for tomorrow and then go to sleep. So yes guys, I think this is it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you think about the video. I will be really happy. And yes guys, if you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And yes guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.